this is a special video. Because, here with the quotes you will get few snaps and video of a beautiful place. The place is Ghatshila. Ghatshila is a town in the eastern Indian state of Jharkhand. It's located on the Subarnarekha River, surrounded by forested hills. Ghatshila is known for its copper mines, which are the first in Asia and the second deepest in the world. Before starting the quotes, let's see the video clip of the beautiful place. Now, let's dive into the inspirational quotes, what we can learn from nature. Like a waterfall, life doesn't flow backwards. There is a hidden message in every waterfall. It says, if you are flexible, falling will not hurt you. If you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. Take time to cherish the beauty in every moment. Only in quiet waters things mirror themselves undistorted. Only in a quiet mind is adequate perception of the world. Until you dig a hole, you plant a tree, you water it and make it survive, you haven't done a thing. You are just talking. Just do it. If you're walking down the right path and you're willing to keep walking, eventually you'll make progress. Learn character from trees, values from roots, and change from leaves. Trees are the earth's endless effort to speak to the listening heaven. Learn from a river. Obstacles may force it to change its course, but never its destination. A river cuts through a rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. The way up to the top of the mountain is always longer than you think. Just be consistent.